Today we booked the cheapest room in Park MGM because we want to put our budget somewhere else. But our stay has to be comfortable. We want to know if Park MGM is the perfect hotel for you. It's time to check in and off we go. It's probably the first hotel on the strip that doesn't enter the casino. We just arrived here in Vegas and it's 4:30 p.m. and there's not much in queue right now. Hi, how are you? Are you camera shy?
A little bit, but it's okay, no worries.
All right.
You and then next between overlooking the strip.
I have a 19-year-old with me and it's her first time in Vegas.
I have that, or you want to go up one more floor, that's 28. You have a white ticket with you?
Yes, I have a white ticket with me.
Yeah, add it on the reservation. It is $20 a day if you have unlimited access for all of the MGM properties.
I think this is the only resort I haven't filmed on the strip. And then I'm gonna do the best hotel in Vegas.
You're all set. That's your floor. You're just straight ahead.
Cassandra, 5 stars.
Well, we better get going because we have a lot of things in store for our stay. We have to check if the room is comfortable, check out the amenities, eat some delicious food, and play the casino.
Floor 312, there's floor 13 to 22, but we are in a dark room. There's Nomad here. Where am I?
Nomad.
What's the difference?
We occupy the top 4th floor,
I'm on the 28th.
so you're right below us.
What's the difference between Nomad and Park MGM?
We just have a more refined offering.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you? You want to come in?
All right,
You wanna come in? Let's go. Come on, I got you.
It looks like you guys have been here for a while. Like you've been partying.
Yesterday.
Settle in.
Do you go to Vegas a lot?
First time for me.
Oh,
I've been here like 6 times. So, yeah.
Vegas
I'm here a lot.
virgin.
I'm a Vegas virgin.
She's Vegas virgin too.
Hold on.
Yeah. You're just checking in?
Yeah.
Oh, you'll have so much fun, especially being
Oh, it's very nice. Golden.
Wow.
Damn, it smells really good here. Oh my god, there are birds and butterflies. Okay.
Kinda have to just dump the bags in and we'll check this out later.
Let's go get some food because I'm hungry. I want to get something casual, but later on, maybe if we win on the casino, we will have a delicious dinner or drink our sorrows away. Right here is a food truck. Hamburger for $16. Not bad. It's a food truck, but it's a whole restaurant over here. The Starbucks here is nice. There's Lala Noodle over here. Cheapest food we could get here are their soup noodles that cost about 25 bucks. I have meniscus there.
You got on the left side,
Yeah.
I got on the right side.
Oh, the right side, not same. Yeah. You like it?
I like it.
Ooh, what is this? Best friend? You're in my video.
It's a Korean restaurant.
Oh.
Mexican. We have a reservation list that you back there.
Oh.
Did you have one tonight?
No.
No, just for yourself.
Yeah, okay.
You make a reservation, we try to get you a table inside.
How's the food?
Get the bad boy platter though. If you have a big group,
I had to ask, what's your workout regimen? Why are you so fit?
won competitions in bodybuilding.
80% of the time I eat on plan, 20% of the time I eat like this. That's how you enjoy life and have fun.
That's her. I'm not lying. You can see her face. That's her, okay?
Best Friends is a little bit more expensive for our casual eating. Maybe we will win later. We have to win the casino.
This is it! I think we found our food hall. There are so many options here. Vegas is not really known for cheap eating. Will the food here satisfy us?
I think everyone's just shocked to see me in this luggage and I'm kind of getting embarrassed. What can I do, right? Oh my god, that looks so good!
This is like a margarita here, a caprese, and this is the Ventura.
ADA ramp for me. It's pretty good. What did you get?
Caesar salad,
Ooh, okay, I love it. That place looks popular. This is a regular pricing. Oh, thank you. A slice of pizza for $25 must be worth it. So here, look at this. These are sandwiches over here. There's no price on that one, but we scanned for the price and a regular sandwich would cost us $32. Wow, they look really good. Got the price right here. It's $12 for a margarita.
It's in the best place, okay? Bye.
You're such a darling. You smell good. Here's our total bill. $22.75. The drink is $6. Let's see if it's worth it. Somebody told me, why are you giving tip for to-go items? And this is me now not giving tip on to-go items. I don't know how I feel about it, but what do you think? Now I really feel guilty I didn't put tip, but she's giving this. Thank you so much. You're so nice. But first, you always need a hand sani. It's time to try our hot honey. I tried to touch it and eat it like a pizza, but then it's so sticky. So I think I'm gonna use a knife and fork on this one. Really good bread. But I'm not a fan of the honey on the pizza. Pepperoni. It's probably the best pepperoni I've had in my life. Soda here is made from Italy. I can't really see that, so I need to use my phone. And the sugar is confirmed to be 0%. Coke Zero version of Italy, and we're gonna try it. Yeah, it's different. Is it worth it? I mean, it's just $6. It's probably the same price as a regular soda, so why not just have this one?
Just found out there's free water at Eataly.
Sorry, I'm just gonna wash my hands after because I just can't use knife and fork on pizza. On second thought, things are dripping.
There's not much dining options here, but that pizza was so good. 4 stars.
Do not push. This thing is low. Yeah, it's so nice today. Hi. She's camera shy.
You said it's what?
Babe traveling. Nice to meet you. If you find casual dining expensive in Park MGM, don't worry. New York is just right beside you, and there's a lot of cheaper finds there. Their pizza is not that bad though, but it's just the pizza from Italy is elevated. Also, right across us is MGM, and there's a lot of choices over there too. Happens in Vegas stays on and off the record. That looks like their nightclub. Maybe they're open later. Bavette Steakhouse right there. It looks fancy. Yeah.
And it works like that.
Yeah, so I don't have to like rent.
By the way, this is how much it would cost to rent a mobility scooter in Las Vegas.
So pretty. Yeah, it's really pretty.
They have a little bit of shopping, but it's limited. If you want high-end stores, go next door to Aria or Crystals.
Okay, it doesn't swing. It's a fake swing. Right there is your connections to Aria, Crystals, and the tram to Bellagio. Oh my god, that's so cute right over there. Lenny Kravitz will be playing this August for Dolby Live. Is there a gym here? A gym?
Yes, it's on the second floor.
I love it! I love this! Here's the fitness center. You do need an access for this one. They have your free water over here. Just bring the water bottle. Your cardio machine here. Hi, I love it. You have your weights here and the view of the T-Mobile Arena. Their machines are not that bad. You wanna ride it? Just press this one. It's so beautiful over here and it smells so good. The pool looks inviting. Hello, morning. You need my... Hi. Grabbing a towel. South pool is over here. I still have a bit of a limp, but I'm getting better. Yes. What makes it different from the other pools?
It's a little bit smaller. We have a hot tub.
Looks like things are reserved over here, but it's free over there or not.
Anything without a cushion is first come, first served. The scanning is just for if you want to do it.
Have you guys been staying here?
Yeah.
How long have you stayed?
Just for tonight. What about you?
I stayed last night, and we're leaving today for Bryce Canyon.
Nice.
Yeah, how about you guys?
Yeah, we are leaving tomorrow for Zion National Park.
Oh, we're so close!
So pretty much to the same.
Yeah, we might go to
Bryce
Zion.
Canyon afterwards.
Oh, okay. Some people do it that way.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it's
but
farther.
you can skip Zion National Park. You skip it, or are you coming back?
Because we're staying in a glass dome hotel. It's Clear Sky Resorts. So we have time, and it's 20 minutes away from Bryce. So we're gonna go stay there, go to Bryce, and then on the way back, go to Zion, because that's the direction.
Yeah.
Did you fly in?
Yesterday. We're flying yesterday too. From
Where?
From Munich.
Munich?
Yeah.
I love Munich. I love your Hauptbahnhof.
Ah, yeah.
This East Pool and bar here looks cool. Wow. I love it. It has their own locker. Very spacious. You have your towels over here, your TV over there, your fridge over there. I think the sun hits this a little bit, so it's a bit warmer, but not much difference. Check out Arya over there. The scenery is amazing.
We just got here, so we're like kind of checking things out where everything is.
It looks like the North Pool is where everyone is. Let's test the water. The water is perfect here. It's a perfect temperature. Love that everyone's just grabbing Starbucks. I found my spot. Have you been staying here? Since Monday? You have a great life.
I must say, I'm happy that this pool is not as crazy as the others.
How many pools are here? 3. And what's your favorite? East? Why? What are you drinking?
Bloody Mary.
Cheers! This right here is the veranda bar. What are you drinking?
Nothing.
Nothing? Just hanging out?
Out the sun.
Huh?
Out the sun.
Salt?
Getting out the sun.
It ain't?
Sorry.
Sorry.
Keeping out the sun.
Keeping out of the sun. I love it.
She's a good idea at the moment.
Yes. Oh, what's there? That's so cool. Hi. What's that? Terrace. Oh, what's in there?
Nothing, no chairs, nothing.
She said nothing.
There's nothing, there's no chairs or anything up there.
And he said there's a bar. Oh,
He's lying, he's lying.
wait.
Do you drink it too?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a smoking zone. Ah, that makes more sense, right? I'm guessing this is like a boutique hotel. There's really not much in here. Hi. Hi. It's a good place to stay if you're going for Dolby Live or T-Mobile Arena. It's a smoke-free zone, so that's cool. What's in here?
That is hilarious.
It is hilarious. What is this store anyways?
Oh, Lady Gaga.
Isn't she amazing?
I love Lady Gaga. She's pretty, I guess.
She is
And
really
she's very, very talented.
very talented. How do they wear these shoes? Do they have a free museum of Lady Gaga? That's pretty epic.
These are Lady Gaga's original outfit.
We've been everywhere. It's time to see our room.
Whoa!
Wow!
It's red.
All red.
It's very red.
It's our house for the next 24 hours.
It's pretty simple, but you've got everything you need here. My friend here is gonna show us the shower.
I can take a shower like that. I can take a shower like that. Or like that. Is it strong or just like not much, huh?
It's pretty strong.
Aloe vera.
Aloe vera?
Yes. This is the conditioner, vitamin A here. The body wash. Smells like chamomile. I can't do a bed test right now because I have an injured knee, but I know who can.
Yeah, this bed's pretty good.
This is the only bar, and of course, it's MGM. It is censored.
Okay, wow. It's working. Check out the artwork.
Fit check. It's time to put my favorite cologne.
Smells so good. We are on the 28th floor right now. Oh, there's the view of the strip. That's MGM Grand over there. New York over there. It's the time to bet $100 to see if we will have delicious dinner or drink our sorrows away. Are you ready? What will we play tonight?
I see you sitting on it.
Yeah.
Moving.
You want to try it? No. And like walk more than 15 minutes. So I ride, I stand up. Should we play some buffalo? Should we play roulette? How about craps? This piggy is about to burst. Should we get revenge on a poker game? Is that the high limit?
Yes.
Wow, coming right in.
You look so cool.
Winner for oh, I've seen this from the other side.
$5.
I saw a $15 poker over there. Haven't tried blackjack in a while, so let's do this.
Good luck. You're gonna win big.
Points are not earned and free play is not available on this machine. I changed my mind because I want to win some points. You know what? We haven't played Buffalo in a while, so let's go do Buffalo. Finally, 50 cents. That's nothing. I don't think this machine is giving money. Let's move on. I want to play this game. This one's pretty interesting because it has that roller thing. So this is $3 per game. Let's go. Oh, it's a fake one. Is that the minimum or what?
No, 60 cents on mine. Okay, so you bet down?
Oh, bet down.
Oh, well, you don't have anything in there now? Or do you?
Oh, yeah, I have 80. Bet up. $1.20. Spin. What? What is that? Okay, multiplier. Oh, I won 30 cents. That was nothing. That's still a loss. Come on. Buffalo. You shouted Buffalo. No Buffalo. Oh, there you go. Come on, that's like less than my bet. They're not giving money at all at this one too. Last Buffalo, this thing better win. Stick it in, thank you. We must remember to gamble responsibly. So I'll admit to it. Let's get a drink right now. We're gonna pass it forward. Not a lot, but I hope it helps.
Oh, thank you.
I like it when she did that. And I pass it forward. It's a great feeling. Late crowd. It's their sports bar. It's really cool. Hi. This looks so dope. You can bet sports and also play while on the bar. And there's happy hour too from 7 p.m. till closing. Should I go to Juniper Lounge or Mama Rabbit? Yep, it looks pretty over here. Ooh, everything looks amazing.
Wait for the wind, wait for the night.